All right, so let's just quickly look at the pie chart. Now we were able to see the uses of pie charts, right? For example, we have here, this is our categorical data, blood groups a B, and then O. And then we have a kind of, this is a percentage in population. Let's say, for example, in Nigeria, it's 35% of the people that have the blood group A in Nigeria, 25%. So summing these core percentages is going to give us 100. All right. Now um, let's quickly see how to apply the pie chart. Now for the pie chart, you can select this data here and then go to your insert, go to recommended charts, and then we are going to have this as part of the option. We have some other recommended one like the clustered column here, but as we said, we want we want to use pie chart to show proportions of a whole. We use it to show numbers that relate to a larger sum and always equal to 100%. So summing all this is going to give us 100%. So this is a typical case where we can apply pie chart to our data. So let's click OK, right? And then we have this data displayed. Now, our default, we do not have the values, these data values inside our pie chart. So we can do that by going to this plus sign, click the plus sign, click on data labels. And once you click on data labels, we have them displayed on this. Okay. Then you can actually click on where do you actually want to display these labels. We have outside N. We have this is the best fit. So let's actually leave it at best fit. And then you may likely want to change maybe the color of that text. So there are ways to do that by clicking on the more option. And at the more option, we actually have for the different text option here. Okay. Now we have the legend. The legend is these values here, A, B, and then O. So we can actually place it at the right here by adjusting this. And then we also have so you can actually rename the title here. Is you just double tap and then percentage population with their blood groups. Blood group. Okay. Then once you click on this text, you can actually see text option here. You can see the text field. By default, this is a color which is black. You can change the color to any color of your choice. Right? We can actually change this to white color. And then we have the text transparency. We have the different text outline. If you want to apply outline to your text, okay, okay. And as well as you can make it bold by going to the home tab and clicking on bold, you bold this. So you can even start working on those texts here, changing the color of the text, maybe to black, to any color of your choice. But make sure that the color that you are choosing will really reflect, that is not going to be hidden in your pie chart. So I think let's go with black color and then let's make it bold. So these are pie charts. You can actually you can, screenshot this and then send it to your document. If you are working Microsoft Word or thereabout, you can send it here. If you want to print it from Excel, you can go to File, go to Print. So this is going to be a printing preview. You can change it to A4 here, right? For most of the times, what to do is you have to maybe increase the size of this and using your print screen on the keyboard, or if you have screenshotting tools, you screenshot this and send it to your document. So I'll be stopping there. I would want to go in depth into this pie chart. So I believe you understand how to work with pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So thank you so much, and I expect to see you in our subsequent classes.